Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's look is a remake of my old Daenerys look that you can see here. I was rewatching Game of Thrones in anticipation for season 8. Now you can tell how long ago it was that I made this. I created a new dragon-like prosthetic while watching. I don't have any footage making it unfortunately, but for a quick TLDR I used Crayola model magic on top of a face cast and used a lot of liquid latex to create this spike dye prosthetic. The shoulder prosthetic was made the same way, but obviously minus the face cast. The heavy latex does dry overnight, so be sure to do this beforehand. The wig is from Amazon. It was pretty reasonably priced. I did add concealer to the parting though to make it look more realistic. To apply the prosthetic, I seal my brows with Pritt Stick. This creates a barrier between the Prosthetic adhesive and my hair. This means I don't rip my eyebrows out. Prosthetic is applied to the prosthetic and the skin. Latex seals the edges of the prosthetic, and I even create a few more spikes to help blend it better. Moving on to the shoulder, my spikes are much larger and I create them on the fly with model magic. Surrounding the big spikes, I add smaller ones again for a nice blend. Paint them with latex to secure them. The darker latex prosthetics are the ones that I made earlier. I add a dragon contact lens on one eye and a purple contact lens on the other to celebrate the book Daenerys. Prime your eyes and add your foundation. I buff mine out lightly with a NYX fluffy brush and blend down the neck and chest. Conceal with Tarte Shape Tape and buff out again. Set all of your foundation with powders and lightly contour and blush. I also use a nude Kylie liner for the lips. Daenerys has huge fluffy brows, so I use my NYX micro brow pencil and brow gel to really fluff them up. Sweep a soft brown eyeshadow over the lid and add a hint of mascara. For the prosthetic, I use a mix of Mayron AQ Paradise paints, eyeshadows, and NYX SFX cream paints to create a gruesome bloody appearance. If you don't have any fake blood like me, you can imitate that with a high shine lip gloss. Highlight the spikes with white paint and also around the edges to make it appear like the skin is raised and distressed.
In the name of our king.
There you have it. This is my updated Daenerys look for you guys. I hope that you enjoyed it and learned something, and if you did, feel free to subscribe, share, or take a poke around my Instagram or Twitch channels where I create this looks live. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!